All you need to know about the Removalist Perth. What makes our company stand out from the rest of the removalists in Perth? Well, apart from being highly experienced and most efficient, we offer the best rates with full insurance and highly qualified staff. Just like you, we want an easy and straightforward moving experience. Our #1 focus is customer satisfaction, and with that goal in mind, we always aim to please, often going above and beyond for each and every one of our clients. You can be fully assured your belongings are in safe hands when choosing us for your upcoming relocation. As Perth's premium removalists, we have everything covered. So what are you waiting for? Call us today to discuss your next relocation. Visit our site at theremovalist.net.au. Perth Removalist and Perth Removal Service. In pretty much every case of moving, it's so easy to get so overwhelmed with the whole moving process, they don't say moving is one of the top life stressors for no good reason. It goes without saying, really, without the correct equipment, knowledge and tools, you are bound to have something broken, misplaced, or damaged during the relocation process. Luckily, when choosing us to take care of your house move, you won't have to worry about literally anything. We are here to make the whole move simple and easy. So, what are you waiting for? Call us today to discuss your next relocation. Visit our site at theremovalist.net.au. What makes the Removalist Perth different? Well, for over a decade now, we have been helping Perth customers move with ease over and over again, proving a top-quality moving service to Perth Metro and surrounds. Our polite and skilled team turn up to all jobs on time every time. In fully equipped trucks, unformed and ready to go, we offer the best removal service in Australia. We are proud to keep with the Australian leading standards in the removalist industry. Our company continues to be a reliable moving resource for all homes and business alike in Perth and the surrounds. Our fleet or trucks are designed to accommodate just about any type of relocations. So what are you waiting for? Call us today to discuss your next relocation. Visit our site at theremovalist.net.au. Benefits of choosing removalists in Perth. 1. Stress-free moving. Let us handle everything, from packing to unpacking, so you don't have to lift a finger. Our skilled team ensures a smooth transition. 2. Professional service. Our polite, uniformed staff prioritizes safety and care when handling your belongings. 3. Comprehensive support. From planning to execution, we take full control, ensuring a hassle-free experience. 4. Top equipment. Our well-maintained trucks and tools guarantee secure and efficient transport. 5. More free time. Focus on settling in while we handle the heavy lifting. 6. Affordable rates. Enjoy top-tier service without breaking the bank. Call us today to discuss your next relocation. Visit our site at theremovalist.net.au.